slope and y-intercept. All right, we got a bunch of stuff to go through. Let's take a look at what we got here. As we're trying to find slope and y-intercept, our first basis is knowing that we have this formula y equals mx plus b. So we have to know that with m being slope and b being y-intercept. All right, so then maybe we get a question like this, right? X plus 4y equals 12. All right, what are we supposed to do with this? We want to set it up in the same y equals mx plus b. So you need to get y by itself. So our very first thing, subtract x from both sides. Now we have 4y equals negative x plus 12. Okay, now we just divide by 4. Divide by 4, so y by itself here, negative 1/4 x plus 12 divided by 4 is 3. And that's what we would have, right? Negative 1/4 is our slope, 3 is our y-intercept. Whoops. Let's do one more. All right, what if it says this? Y equals negative 5x. Okay, all right, here's a question, and then it says, what is our slope? Our slope is right here, negative 5. What is the y-intercept? Y-intercept is 0, because there is no plus anything or minus anything. So that's how we do that one. All right, now let's look a little bit more specifically at just slope. If we're given some coordinate points, so just for slope, if let's say we have 0, 3, and 5, 6, and it says find the slope. Okay, how do we do that one? What we want to be looking at is we have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Right? That's x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so then we're just going to subtract. Pretty simple. We're going to go 6 minus 3, y2 minus y1, all over 5 minus 0, x2 minus x1, just like it says right here, 5 minus 0. And that's going to equal 3/5. That's how we find slope. And last one, y-intercept. What if we get something like this? We have 6x plus 3y equals 6. Okay? And then we say find the y-intercept. How do we do that? Okay? There's more reasons for it, but really all we want to know is that we always make, when we're finding y-intercept like this, x equal to 0, and then we solve, right? So all we're going to do here, 6 times 0 that we're plugging in for x, plus 3y equals 6, and then we solve. 6 times 0 is 0, so we just have 3y equals 6, divided by 3, y equals 2.